end of the learning episode, you are expected to: number 1, identify ways on how to recycle waste materials. Number 2, describe ways on how to recycle waste materials. And number 3, appreciate the importance of recycling. For our pre-test, answer true if the statement is correct and false if not. Number 1, papers can be recycled. The answer is true. Number 2, laundry wash can be used to clean rugs and slippers. The answer is true. Number 3, plastic bottles can be decomposed easily. The answer is false. Number 4, old newspapers can become tissue paper when recycled. For number 4 answer, true. And last, number 5, glass cannot be recycled. The answer for number 5 is false. Did you get a low score? Don't worry. As we go along with our lesson, you will know more about recycling. Let's have a review about yesterday's lesson. Draw a smiley face if the sentence says about the benefits of reusing waste materials and sad face if not. Number 1, reusing materials increases pollution. The answer is sad face. Number 2, helps other people reduce their financial needs. The answer is smiley face. Number 3, produces an healthy environment. The answer is sad face. For number 4, preserves and conserves our ecosystem. The answer is smiley face. And last, number 5, earn extra money from reusing waste materials. The answer is smiley face. Did you get a perfect score? I knew you can do it. Our lesson for today is recycle. Recycling is a process to change materials into new products to prevent waste of potentially useful materials, reduces the consumption of fresh raw materials, reduces energy usage, reduces air pollution and water pollution by reducing the need for conventional waste disposal, and lower greenhouse gas emissions. Recycling our waste product is one way of resolving our problem in causing the landfill to overflow. Recycling may cause more savings for all consumers as reusable product is often cheaper than the many single-use products it replaces. Recycle logo or label has 3 arrows forming a shape of a triangle. In recycling, it is a never-ending process because we are making waste into something useful again. Recycle is to make something new from something that has been used before. Recycling is important to conserve raw materials and reduce the need to consume other precious resources. Recyclable solid local materials can be made into useful products. Recycling a ton of paper can save up to 17 trees. Here are some examples of recycling old materials. Plastic drinking bottles can be made into flower vase or pots. Juice wrappers can be made into bags. Old newspaper and magazines can be made into pencil holder and curtains. Used clothes can be recycled into rugs and throw pillows. Let us try answering these questions. What are the waste materials that can be recycled? Why is recycling of waste materials are important? How does recycling of waste materials help the community? Let's wrap things up about what you have learned today. Complete the sentence by describing what recycling is and give 3 examples for recycling too. Get your pen and notebook. Let us try to answer. Recycling is a process to change materials into new products to prevent waste of potentially useful materials. Some of the examples are: plastic drinking bottles can be made into flower vase or pots. Juice wrappers can be made into bags. Old newspaper and magazines can be made into pencil holder and curtains. As a grade 5 pupils, what character traits you have if you keep on recycling waste materials? That's awesome! Now let us have our pause test. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Let's take a look at the answer. Number 1, A. Number 2, D. Number 3, B. Number 4, C. And number 5, B. Wonderful! You have completed the 5th week. See you on our last week.